Spooky Babes and Ghouls. So today I'm going to be recreating San Diego Comic Con's Draculaura. We are going to be recreating her Freak to Chic makeup look. Obviously I don't have like anything pink in my closet that I can like wear, but we're going to improvise here, make it look cool. But I mean, I've basically been recreating her makeup. Pretty much the same thing, probably within her eyebrows. That's about it. I really do like her makeup. I really love her lined lips. It looks really cool. But we'll be talking more about the doll in the next video. We'll be doing a review for her. That's why I wanted to film the makeup tutorial first and then reviewing the doll afterwards. Definitely my favorite Monster High doll right now, so that's all I'm gonna say. So I already have my face already painted on. I have some white foundation and white face powder on my face, and I'm just gonna get to work on the eyes. Okay, so I'll be diving into the Anastasia Beverly Hills Subculture eyeshadow palette. I'll be diving into the shade Edge, which is kind of like a muted mustard yellow. She does have like kind of like a light muted yellow on her upper eyelid, so we're gonna be doing that. I'm blending it all over my eyelid, blending it out. Okay, so next I'm diving into Anastasia Beverly Hills Marina palette, volume 5, and I'm diving into the shade E2. Basically, I'm gonna apply it like pretty much all over my eyelid and stop at the crease. Might try to blend it a little bit with the yellow. I'm not too sure yet. I could just cut the crease and apply the eyeshadow, but kind of lazy about doing that today. So I'm just using a flat eyeshadow brush to apply it, to try to get like a smooth, even edge. And I don't know if you guys noticed, I did blend down the yellow into my nose. Hers isn't like that, obviously, but that's kind of like how I like doing my makeup. So yeah, it's my kind of twist on it. Into the same eyeshadow palette again, and I'm diving into the shade E5, which is like a dark plum, dark purple, and I'm applying it onto the ends, kind of like of this like wing I created, and blending it into eyeshadow. I'm blending it like along the crease as well. Colors I used, the dark pink and the dark plum. I'm applying them underneath my eye. I'm kind of blending them together. I'm applying the pink more on like the inner part of the eye, and then the dark plum on the outer corner of the eye, and kind of meet them together in the middle, blend them. Adding some black eyeliner onto my waterline, and then I'm also going to be using this House of Lashes eyelash glue in black for my inner corner. I like to draw my inner corner using this because it sticks on longer than like normal like liquid eyeliners would in the inner corner. I have really watery eyes, so it really helps. Next I'm attempt to draw on the lashes. I'm using this Weaselwear eyeliner. So she has like eyelashes that come down, and each like lash that comes down, like at least each big major lash that comes down has like a little like dot on each end. So that's what we're doing. Same eyeliner, which is actually a stamp as well, has a little bat. I don't have my heart-shaped stamp. I don't feel like freehanding a heart, like the little heart that Draculaura has on her face, but we're doing a bat. I think a bat would look really cute. Matches with the whole vampire aesthetic. Okay, so next I'm drawing my eyebrows like normally. how I usually like to draw my eyebrows on. I'm using the Anastasia Beverly Hills Depop pomade in granite with a small angled brush. I know her eyebrows are more thicker than what I normally draw. I'm not really following it. Also, I kind of noticed that her eyebrows kind of look brownish. I'm just doing black. Y'all guys can follow her, or y'all guys can do something closer to mine, or however you guys can draw your eyebrows on. Or if you have eyebrows already that exist. I don't. I shave mine off, but if you guys have eyebrows, then totally, you know, totally follow the shape of your own eyebrows. Okay, so next I'm drawing on like the clown lines that go across like from her eyeshadow across like her eyebrows with a little circle at the end. I'll be drawing them on with the Anastasia Beverly Hills eyebrow pomade again as well. You can use eyeliner, liquid eyeliner, face paint, whatever you have on hand, of course. I feel like this would work better for me at least. Okay, so next I'm going to contour my face using the KVD Vegan Beauty shade line Eyeshadow Quad and Smoke. You can use whatever eyeshadow, or you can skip this step entirely. Contour your face however you want to, whatever color. I'd like to contour my face with gray. Draculaura's face isn't really that contoured, but I like contouring my face, so. Next, I'm diving into the Anastasia Beverly Hills Novita palette again. I'm diving into shade E1. It's like a pink, sparkly eyeshadow. Kind of already swatched it on my hand up here. I don't think y'all can really see it that well, maybe. I don't really have pink eyeshadows. At least like a matte pink one. I was gonna use it for the little hearts on her cheeks, but I might try to blend in some of B2 into it. It's like it's kind of like this like vibrant purple shade. And I kind of mixed them together in my hand and it looked okay. But yeah, we're gonna work with what we got. Maybe even blend in a little bit of A5 to kind of mute the purple down a little. I don't know, we'll see. But basically I'm drawing some hearts onto my cheeks just like hers. Okay, so I'm adding some blush onto my cheekbones a little bit just to give my face more pinkness because she has pink skin, I did white, I don't have pink face paint, so I wanted to bring a little bit of color to my face. Cheeks came out really cute. I'm just using a pink shimmery eyeshadow I have here. Just dust it on. Okay, so next I'm lining my lips with black eyeliner. I'm gonna try to keep a sharp, clean line. And also I think I'm gonna be using I'm also gonna be using this Kat Von D liquid eyeliner, tattoo liner. This one's really old. I just kind of draw on the lines of my lips right here. And of course I'm gonna be adding like little circles to the end of each side. Okay, so she kind of has like a muted pink on her lips. I don't really have that kind of color, but I think if I apply a little bit of this and kind of blend it onto my lips, it'll kind of give the same effect. This is MAC's lip liner in Night Moth. They had used this on the Wednesday show for Wednesday Addams for her lip color. I'm not sure if it was like the color she always wore or if it was the one for the Raven. I don't remember. But I'm using this, applying it all over my lips. My lips are kind of moisturized, so that'll kind of help blend it in. Okay, so I'm gonna be adding some lashes off camera. I might add some like really thick fluffy ones, or I might take the spiderweb lashes. I haven't decided yet, but I'll see what looks better. I'm gonna do my hair change, then I'll be back to you guys. Okay, so here's it for today's look. I'm actually really proud of how it came out. Also, I kind of like talk too well because of vampire fangs, but I like it. It's cute. I think I captured her makeup really well. I did change some things. Well, at least one thing for sure is the little line going on top of the eye. I noticed on her doll it starts from the lash line and then go all the way up. And I don't want to try to attempt to do that because the way my lids fold, and I knew that it was just gonna come out wonky, or I would have had done more to it. And I feel like doing that. But I do like how I did it. It looks really cool. It kind of gives the effect of like a circus tent. Like every time I look in the mirror, I was like, oh well, there's like a circus tent on my eyes. It looks really cool. I think it adds to that Freak du Chic look. And I do like the blush. It came out really cute. The heart-shaped blush, I love it. And the lips, I think I captured it perfectly. Because I really do love her lip color, and I like how they're just lined. They look so beautiful. But like obviously mine has more of a sad look, like more of a downturn. Gives off like a sad vibe. Hers kind of upturns more and looks like she's smiling, which she is smiling. Naturally, I frown, so yeah. But I think it looks cool. It gives off like a sad clown look. I love it. So like obviously I don't have anything in my closet that looks like hers, and like, of course the bat head piece. I would love to make it one of these days. That would be cool. Maybe next year for Halloween. I don't know. I do love her bat head piece. A lot of people don't like it. But I love it. It's cute. That's why I wore it with those pink bangs to try to like emulate that. I kind of wish I had like little like backling clips to go up here, but I don't have any on me right now. And I think the pigtails give off like a cute like clown gesture effect. So I love it. And I had, of course, I add some pink to my hair because this is Draculaura we're talking about. So yeah, so if you guys do recreate this for Halloween, or if you guys in cosplay as Freak du Chic Draculaura, let me know. Tag me on Instagram or TikTok. I would love to see y'all's recreations. Yeah, I feel super cute and I love it so much. If you guys like this video, make sure to leave a like and comment down below. And also be sure to subscribe to my channel if you haven't yet. I do have some other Monster High makeup tutorials up on my channel from last year. I did recreate Draculaura, Frankie, and Laguna, so make sure you do check that out. And I also do have a lookbook up for those characters up as well. I had a ton of fun filming those last year. I also do have a bunch of other really cool Halloween makeup tutorials and DIYs on my channel. So yeah, so that'll be it for today's video. I hope you guys have a safe, wonderful, and spooky day. Bye guys!